guys, welcome to today's audio blog. So I've been thinking recently, what should I do to today's audio blog? And what came in my head, I couldn't think of anything. But my mum was hoovering at the time. So I thought, why are hoovers so loud? Why can't they make them quieter? See, I'm having a speech here today. Why can't hoovers be quieter? It's not like they do anything any good anyway. What is even a hoover for? It just looks good when it's going across the carpet. Got complaints about this episode. Mail them to Jordan FM. I don't care. I don't care Street. I don't Carrington. I don't care Shear. IDK 001. But seriously, what do hoovers do? I don't know. Why does my mum spend hours hoovering a week when I don't even know what it is? It's confusing. Anyway, that's the end of today's episode. Just to let you know, I am in peak camp at the minute, so that I'm not live now. I'm at camp. Well, I'm never live on the audio blog, but I'm at peak camp now. You will have heard my live show, which wasn't live, it was pre-recorded because I am at peak. International Scout Camp, it's amazing. I'm having such a great time, I think. I don't know. I'm pre-recording this episode. Remember to like, comment, give me more ideas for the audio blog. Go to YouTube channel, links on jodfm.jimdo.com.